Hey everyone, so in this video, I will show you how you can add blur on moving objects in Capcut. So let's get into it. So first of all, just add the video in the timeline and then duplicate the video by doing Control C, Control V. And then go to your right here, click on the mask and select Circle Mask and adjust this. Now to add blur, just go to Effect and you will see this blur effect. Also, if you can't be able to find this, just search blur on the search bar and you will get it and add this effect to the duplicate video. Now, if we play a video like this, then you will see that blur is going somewhere else and the object is going somewhere else. So to match this, we have to add keyframes to do that. Just go to Mask and here you will see this diamond kind of a sign. Just click on this and start doing the keyframes. You just need to put blur on the object by doing like this. And it's a time-taking process. The longer the video, the higher time it takes to do it. So I have completed the keyframes. Now let's play the video and see how it looks. So if you are not satisfied with keyframes, you can change them as many times as you want. Also, if you want to increase the size of the blur, you can do it by here. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to know how to add blur in the background of the video, then watch this video.